So in this episode, we're going to discuss about Griezmann and Saul swap deal between Barcelona and Atletico Madrid. Actually, Barcelona weren't interested in selling Griezmann this summer, but now they are being forced to sell just in order to register Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi has accepted to continue with Barcelona, while PSG has also made it clear that they have no intention to sign the Argentine. Now it's all up to Barcelona to reduce the wage bills of other players and register Lionel Messi as soon as possible. But the real problem with the board is that certain players are not ready to accept the reduced wage bill. In this pandemic situation, I think every club is going through the same. Griezmann is one of the top earners in the club at the moment. Considering Dembele and Coutinho, he's bit earning more. But the truth is that we are unable to sell both Dembele and Coutinho in this summer. Dembele is injured during the Euros, while Coutinho is still recovering, and there are no real suitors for him at the moment. That's the truth. If Barcelona sells Griezmann to Atletico Madrid, then it is a real deal for Barcelona because they can register Lionel Messi and also land a midfielder in a swap deal. Ronald Koeman has made it clear that he needs a midfielder in this summer and also a left back to bring in more competition with Jordi Alba in the club. So this swap deal with Atletico Madrid will give us Saul Niguez, who is really good on the ball, who leads the attack as well from front. So he's a kind of midfielder who can fit in Barcelona easily. Also ready to come to Barcelona because he's been stagnated at Atletico Madrid. Now the club has also signed Rodrigo De Paul from Serie A, so it's a bit of competition for him as well, and he deserves a new journey. So the big worry among the Barcelona fans is that why do you want to give another player to Atletico Madrid? They won the league last time with Luis Suarez, former Barcelona player. So they just don't want to give another player to Atletico Madrid and make them strong. But it's a real benefit for the club. When you look at it, you can sign Lionel Messi, register him for. Griezmann is earning around 500k euros per week, while Saul Niguez earns around 115k per week. So it's a good deal for us. He's a well-experienced guy in La Liga, so Saul can bring in a lot of experience in the midfield, and he can also rest Sergio Busquets when needed. So it's a good deal for us. The deal is expected to be a swap, normal swap with cash, but Barcelona is demanding Hermoso and Lodi as per some sources. The deal is in final stage as per Fabrizio Romano, so it's in advanced talks and it can be announced anytime soon. I'm also keen to listen to your views, like is it a good deal, or what can it be done and how can it be improved. So you can leave your comments below and let me know, and we will discuss it in the next video. Thank you guys. Peace.